So hello everybody and welcome to another one of my videos. I sound maybe a little weird because I recently was basically contaminated with COVID, so I'm doing good, but my voice sounds weird because I'm stuffed. My baby boy is not in the room with me, so afterwards I'll open up the windows, but for the sake of this video I wanted to do it without the mask. So today I'm for the first time filming in my living room. This living room is soon going to change because I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos. In one of them I show you a house that we were looking to buy and we finally did. We're gonna be signing the papers in 2 days, and in about 2 months the house is gonna be ready for us to move in. My cat's right there. It's distracting me. So just a little heads up. I don't know exactly when I'm gonna be posting this video, but if you've already watched one where I talk about me having COVID and how I deal with it with living with a 3-month-old, don't be alarmed. I didn't have COVID twice. These two videos were filmed on the same day, so just FYI, I guess. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm Bea. I'm 26 years old for now because soon I'm gonna be turning 27 next month. And I'm a first-time mom of a now 3-month-old baby. His name is MAЕL and we're doing great, just if you were interested to know. So of course, like almost every video that I make, it's gonna be baby related, and this time it's gonna be about what I carry in my diaper bag. So I do have different diaper bags that I was gonna say use, but I don't really use them all. I'm gonna show them to you. So this is a Lamar diaper bag. It honestly is great. It looks amazing. It has great compartments to keep everything separated, but I still haven't used it because I just didn't feel like using it for now. And because I have another one that I like to use better, but it's not the one that I'm gonna show you right now. So this is the other one. Excuse me. So this is the other one that I have. This is from the brand Pasito a Pasito. And I really do like this bag. It's waterproof and everything, but yet again, like the other one, like the Lamar one, the brown one, it's a bit too big for my taste. But I have used this one at least a few times now, and I have to say it holds up everything that I need. Obviously, like a newborn actually doesn't need much. I mean, it's a pretty good bag, but it's too big for me to be comfortable carrying it around, even if it's in the stroller. So this is the one that I use like the most, with like a huge difference. And this one I just got off of Amazon. It was like 20 bucks, unlike the other two, which were like between 100 and 200 bucks. So yeah, I will be using these other two, the bigger ones, once baby boy is a little bit bigger and he needs more stuff. But while he doesn't need a lot of stuff, I might as well enjoy that and carry something lighter. So I'm gonna start showing you exactly what I have in my diaper bag. I just replenished it so that you can get like a real feel of what I carry when I'm out with baby boy, which is every time that I'm out, because he's breastfeeding, so he needs me 24/7. And I don't mind that, but okay, so I'm gonna start with some of the obvious, most basic things that you obviously need to carry in your diaper bag. Let me scoot back so that you can see me taking things out. Okay, so obviously diapers, and I carry usually 3 diapers, but if I know we're gonna be out all day, then I'll take 5 with me. No more than 5 though, because what's the point? So I carry 3 diapers. My baby just turned 3 months and he now wears size 4 diapers. And what's funny about that to me is that the baby on the box already walks and my baby is 3 months old. So let me know in the comments if you think that's big for like a 3-month-old, and let me know if you guys had babies. Do you notice them growing out of diaper sizes like this? I feel like I have to buy him a new size every like 2 or 3 weeks because he grows out of them so quickly And I noticed that he grows out of them because he starts leaking. Basically, when he poops, there's a blowout. And of course, wipes. But what I do for wipes is, well, I use water wipes, and I have these thin packs of wipes. I don't know if you can see, but it's really thin. It carries only 28 wipes, which is really like enough for like at least 10 outings, honestly, like even more, because I only use one wipe every time that I change his diaper. I mean, it's really rare that I use two. And sometimes when we go out, we don't even need to change him out. So this usually will last me more than 28 outings. So it's great. And instead of having to carry this big, look at the difference. This is heavy and it's unnecessary to carry around. This is so light and it makes sense. So that's what I carry. I got them at a pharmacy and I got a lot of them because I didn't know if I was gonna find them again. So just in case, I have plenty of those packs. So okay, let's see. So another pretty obvious thing that I carry with me is in case baby boy has a blowout, I have a change of clothes. So I just carry a onesie, just like that. And then of course a pair of PJs. So this is a little wrinkly, but you get the point. Sometimes I'll carry something nicer, but for the most part, just a PJ. And just in case, a pair of warm socks. Just in case, you know, you never know if you're gonna need them. You don't want your baby to get cold and get sick. So one thing that I like about this bag is that it has the top compartment and then the bottom compartment. So this opens up and it has more stuff down here. So I'm gonna show you what I have down there in just a second. I'm just gonna finish with the top part. All right, so this is from the Lamar bag. It came with this little pouch, which I find super useful. Some of you might not know about these, but I find them pretty useful when I'm out and about. And these are like some, let me just rip one out. These are like doggy bags for like the poop, but instead they are for diapers, so they are much bigger. And these bags are really nice for when you have a really stinky diaper and you're, for example, at someone's house. You might as well just put it in one of these bags so that you don't stink up the whole place. At home, I do have a diaper genie from Angel Care, but so I don't need these at home, but I do need them sometimes when I'm out. It is true that my baby boy, when he poops, it doesn't really smell because he's not eating solids yet. So this is mostly going to be really useful for when he starts eating for real, like solids and stuff, and his poop starts to really stink. So I also have some diaper rash cream samples right here, some little lotion just in case. I mean, it's so small that I might as well just take it with me. And then this is some more like diaper rash cream that I have. And then this is for me just in case I have a headache. As you can see, I've been getting quite a lot of headaches because it's almost empty. So that's everything that I carry in this little pouch. So what I like about this bag is that it's pretty well compartmentalized. I can keep things separated into different compartments, so I like that about this bag. And in, like, for example, one of the little pockets, I have a few things that I can show you. Okay, so first of all, I have a brush. My baby boy's hair goes wild and it needs to be controlled, so I have a little brush. I usually carry a binky, but this is the binky box that I carry it in. I guess I don't have it in here. I thought I did. So anyways, here I carry a binky. Usually it is an extra binky because when we leave the house, he has one clipped on his clothes, and then I'll have one just in case that one gets lost, because it has happened. And then an extra binky clip. Finally, in that little pocket, so all of these came from that little pocket. And the last thing is a little toy. So this is like a wristband that rattles. So in case he wants to be entertained and we can't do it for him, he can entertain himself. So I'm just gonna put this all back in its pocket. All right, so in the pocket next to that one, I have just like burp cloths, so when he spits up and everything, I have these little cloths that I got at IKEA that I can just use to wipe his mouth and his face. And I have 2 of those. I also have a little pack of tissues in that same pocket, so that's that for that one. And then just in case the binky just falls on the ground, I have this pack of wipes that are specifically for cleaning binkies. So I got this off of Amazon, like a lot of things that I have shown you. So that's everything that I carry in this top pocket, and obviously I don't fill it up. Like it's almost empty with everything that I've shown you, which is why what's the point of carrying like a big bag when I'm only going to be using half of it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what I carry in this last pocket. So this is what I use to change baby boy's diaper. I just fold it like this and it goes like that. And I lay baby boy on this side because it's fuzzy and warm. And then this other side is waterproof, so it's easily wipeable. So I'll put it in the surface that I'm gonna change baby boy on. And in case it's a little dirty, I can just like wipe it off right after and keep it clean. So that's one thing I carry in this pocket. The next thing that I carry in here is just this big cloth, or like it's a swaddle actually, but I don't swaddle my baby, so I haven't needed it for other than what I use it right now, which is basically to cover myself when I'm breastfeeding, because I am self-conscious and I don't want to expose myself like that. But I do admire any other moms out there who don't care and just breastfeed their baby, you know, like we all need to eat. But I'm just self-conscious. I don't want people looking at me, so I just avoid it by putting this on. Okay, so almost done. One other thing that I carry in that pocket of the bag is a wet bag. So the interior of this bag is waterproof, and I can just put any soiled clothes that baby boy poops on. So in case he has a blowout and he comes out of his diaper, I don't want to put those dirty clothes and mix them up with everything else in the bag. So I can just use this bag, put them in here, and they're not gonna contaminate anything else in the diaper bag. So that's pretty useful. I still haven't needed it because for some reason he only blows out at home. So that's pretty respectful of him. And the last thing that I carry in this diaper bag is some extra masks for myself and my husband and anyone around us. Honestly, if they need a mask, I'll give it to them. In here I have about 4 of them exactly, actually 1, 2, 3, 4. So yep, that's pretty much everything that I carry in my diaper bag. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you would find useful in your diaper bag. Keep in mind that we're talking about between newborn, 3-month, 4-month-olds. Once they turn 6 months, I feel like they're gonna need more stuff. The only thing that maybe I would carry in here in this last pocket, it's like a tiny booklet for like entertainment. But I do like my baby boy to look at his surrounding area so that he can learn from like observing. And he's a very curious boy, so he likes to look around. So that concludes today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like. And also, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I do post weekly, as I said, and it's mostly motherhood related, baby related content. So go ahead and click subscribe if you're interested, and I'll see you next week.